Before I started working at VA Partners, I never had a tool that I could use to track my SEO efforts. I would just make random changes on a page and see if that helped in any way. Now I use a tool called Moz. Moz is a really great tool where you can track SEO, see how a page is ranking on a certain keyword, and see how your competitors are doing along with that. Here are a couple tips you can start doing to start using Moz. If you haven't created an SEO strategy for your website yet, I highly suggest you start doing so. A website with a really strong SEO strategy will receive more page views than a website that doesn't. But jumping straight into SEO can seem really overwhelming. Moz is a great tool where you can track certain keywords and see how they're ranking up and down, see what competitors are doing, and how you can improve your content. From there, you can also associate a web page and keyword together, and Moz will suggest certain content changes that will help that web page improve its ranking for that keyword. Sometimes the suggestions Moz makes isn't always important for your website. Moz is really great because it'll flag really important errors like 404 errors on your website, but it will also make suggestions in terms of a title that's too long. Sometimes suggestions like that aren't actually good for your web page. We have a couple different blogs that have really long titles, but every word in that title is really important in targeting a certain keyword. So take every suggestion that Moz makes with a grain of salt and make sure that it actually will positively impact your content. A great feature on Moz is the different content suggestions that it creates for your web page. I was working on a web page that had zero SEO strategy behind it. With a single hour that I spent working with Moz's content suggestions for that page then ranked in the top 10 for that certain keyword. So if you put the effort behind it and make content changes and optimize your page to 97 to 99 on the Moz scale, you will see improvements. From there, you can go into learning about link building and other different SEO strategies, but start with the content changes. If you're looking for more SEO tips or other great content, subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks, everyone.